Last class we have learned the division algorithm for polynomial. What is the division algorithm for polynomial? If px and gx are two polynomials, there exists and gx is not equal to 0, there exists two another polynomial qx and rx which satisfies px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. So where you will stop the division, either you have to get the remainder 0 or you have to get the remainder 0 or you have to get the degree of the remainder should be less than the degree of divisor. Then you have to stop the division process. So let us do some questions. Divide 3x cube plus x squared plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x squared and verify the division algorithm. Here you see this is in the order of degree dividend, but this divisor is not in the order of decreasing order of degree. So you have to write this as x squared plus 2x plus 1. So I am going to divide 3x cube plus x squared plus 2x plus 5 by this. So as I have told you, first you divide 3x squared x cube by x squared. So 1x squared will be cancelled, so the answer is 3x. Here first quotient is 3x. Then you multiply x squared into 3x, 3x cube, 2x into 3x, 6x. You see this one degree is 3, this is degree is 2. So 2x into 3x is 6x squared. So you can write down here 6x squared. Then plus 1 into 3x is 3x. So you write down 3x here. Minus, 3x cube plus minus x cube is 0. X squared minus 6x squared is minus 5x squared. 2x minus 3x is minus x plus 5. Now minus 5x squared divided by x squared is minus 5. So quotient minus 5. Minus 5 into x squared is minus 5x squared. 2x into minus 5 is minus 10x. Plus 1 minus 5 is minus 5. This is plus, plus, plus. Minus 5x squared plus 5x squared is 0. Minus x plus 10x is 9x. And plus 5 is plus 10. Now you see here, what is the degree of this remainder? 9x plus 10, the degree is 1. What is the degree of this divisor? Degree is 2. You cannot continue the division process, you have to stop it here. Therefore, here in this case, the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. Therefore, you have to stop the division process. Our polynomial px is 3x cube plus x squared plus 2x plus 5 and gx is x squared plus 2x plus 1. Quotient is 3x minus 5. The remainder rx is 9x plus 10. Now you have to do the verification. What is the verification? Verification of division algorithm. So what you should write down? You have to take this one gx into qx plus rx. When you multiply this divisor into quotient, then plus remainder, you should get the dividend. Then only your division is correct. So it is x squared plus 2x plus 1 into 3x minus 5 plus 9x plus 10. So each term, x squared, each term of this bracket will be multiplied by the first term of second bracket. This is 3x. 3x into x squared is 3x cube, plus 2x into 3x is plus 6x. 1 into 3x is plus 3x. Minus 5 into x squared is minus 5x squared. Minus 5 into 2x is minus 10x. Minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. Plus 9x plus 10. Now, this one you have to rearrange it. 3x cube. 3x, see, you can add here itself. 3x, 6x plus 3x is 9x. 9x minus 10 is, this is 9x. 9x minus 10x plus 9x plus minus 5x squared plus 10 minus 5. So it is 3x cube. For next is second term minus this is 3x into 2x is 6x squared. So 3x cube plus 6x squared minus 5x squared plus 3x minus 10x plus 9x minus 5 plus 10. So it is 3x cube. 6x squared minus 5x squared is x squared. Here 3x plus 9x is 12x. 12x minus 10x is plus 2x. Minus 5 plus 5 is plus 10. You see our dividend 3x cube plus x squared plus 2x plus 5. Minus 5 plus 10 is plus 5. So that is equal to dividend, that is equal to px. So we have verified our division algorithm. So now next question, check whether first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. X minus 1 minus x squared, 3x x squared minus x cube minus 3x plus 5. So you know that 3 is a factor of 15. So how will you verify it? So when you divide 15 by 3, you have to get the remainder 0. Then you can say that 3 is a factor of 15 and 5 is also a factor of 15. Remainder should be equal to 0. Here also, you have to divide the second polynomial by the first polynomial, and if you are getting the remainder 0, then this is a factor. If you are not getting the remainder 0, then it is not a factor. And I told in the beginning, you have to write down that divisor and dividend in the order of degree. Here these are not the order of degree. First I am going to write down this one in the order of degree. Minus x cube plus 3x squared minus 3x plus 5 divided by, next is minus x squared plus x minus 1. First one is minus x cube by minus x squared. Minus minus will become plus. X cube by x squared is x. So therefore first term in the quotient is x. X minus x squared into x is minus x cube plus x into x is plus x squared minus 1 into x is minus x plus minus plus, this is 0. 3x squared minus x squared is plus 2x squared minus 3x plus x is minus 2x plus 5. Now first term is 2x squared. 2x squared by minus x squared. So plus minus, the term will become minus. X squared will be cancelled, so it is minus 2. Minus x squared minus 2 is plus 2x squared. Plus x minus 2 is minus 2x. Minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 3. Minus plus minus, this will become 0. Minus 2x plus 2x is again 0. Plus y minus 3 is plus 2. Plus, this is minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. So plus 2 minus 2 is 3. Here plus 3 means you know the degree of the constant term is 0. Here the degree of this divisor is 2. You cannot continue the process. You have to stop it here. So our px is equal to minus x cube plus 3x squared minus 3x plus 5, and our gx is minus x squared plus x minus 1. Quotient is x minus 2. Remainder is 3. So then is gx first polynomial, this gx is a factor of the second polynomial? No. Why? Because since Rx is not equal to 0, first polynomial is not the factor of second polynomial. If you are taking first polynomial as gx, second polynomial as px, you can say gx is not a factor of px. Now we are going to do the exercise 2.3. I think first question is the simple division. Question number 1, and the third one I am going to do. Our px is given x raised to 4 minus 5x plus 6, and gx is given 2 minus x squared. So again x raised to 4 minus 5x plus 6 divided by this one, you have to write it in the order, minus x squared plus 2. X raised to 4 by minus x squared is minus 1x squared will be cancelled. Therefore, minus x squared is the quotient. Minus minus plus x raised to 4 plus 2 minus. You see here the next term is plus 2 into minus 2x squared is minus 2x squared. There is no minus 2x squared term here. So write it last here. Minus 2x squared. Don't write anywhere below this. Now plus 2 terms hoga. Now this is minus, this is plus. This will become 0. You write this minus 5x plus 6 plus 2x squared. Now when you are seeing don't take the first term, you have to take the highest power, the term having highest power. Which term is having the highest power? 2x squared. 2x squared divided by minus x squared. X squared cancel, the answer is minus 2. Now the next one is minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2x squared is plus 2x squared. That you have to write it here below this x squared. Minus 2 plus 2 is minus 4. Minus plus. Here this minus 5x will come down. Plus 6 plus 4 is plus 10. This is becoming 0. Now you see the degree of this. Degree of remainder is 1. Degree of divisor is 2. So you have to stop your division process. Now you got the answer. What is our px is x raised to 4 minus 5x plus 6. Gx is 2 minus x squared. Then qx is minus x squared minus 2. Rx is minus 5x plus 10. So divide, we have divided px by gx. We got the quotient and the remainder. That is the first question, 2.3. Now question number 4. You divide x cube minus 3x squared plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx. The quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find gx. Here px is given, gx is not given, quotient is given and remainder is also given. So I am writing px x cube minus 3x squared plus x plus 2. Gx you don't know, you have to find out. Qx is x minus 2. Remainder is minus 2x plus 4. So you know the division algorithm. Px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. So I am going to substitute all these values here. So you this time gx into qx. How you got gx into qx? This rx should come here. So it is px minus rx. So what is px? X cube minus 3x squared plus x plus 2 minus. So there are two terms in rx. You put it in the bracket. Open the bracket. Minus minus will become plus. Minus plus 4 is minus 4. Now x cube minus 3x squared, x plus 2x is 3x, plus 2 minus 4 is minus 2. This one is equal to gx into qx. So what you got? Gx into qx is equal to x cube minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 2. But again qx is given. What is our qx? Gx into qx is x minus 2 minus x minus 2 is equal to x cube minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 2. So our gx is x cube minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. By long division method, you have to find out the gx. You have to divide this one by this. So how will you get it? So it is x cube minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. You know how to. X cube by x is x squared. X cube minus 2x squared minus plus 0 minus x squared plus 3x minus 2 minus x squared by x is minus x squared plus 2x plus minus 0 x minus 2. Now x by x is 1 plus 1, that is x minus 2, then minus plus 0. So what is our answer? Gx. Gx is equal to x squared minus x plus 1. That is gx is equal to x squared minus x plus 1. This is our gx. So you have to apply the division algorithm and find out. The last question, question number 5. So you have to write down the example of px, gx, qx and rx satisfying first condition. Degree of px should be equal to degree of qx. So you have to fix your polynomials. So I'm taking that px as 2x squared plus 2x plus 2. I can take our gx as 2. So that means you have to divide this polynomial by 2. So you get a quotient divided by 2x squared plus x plus 1. So when you are dividing this one by this, you get the remainder rx is 0. So what is our degree? Degree of polynomial px is 2. Degree of quotient x squared plus x plus 1 is also 2. Here in this case, the degree of polynomial px is equal to degree of qx. Clear? So each divided by 2 means 2x squared by 2 is x squared, 2x by 2 is x, 2 by 2 is 1. So quotient is x squared plus x plus 1. Degree of px is 2, degree of qx is also 2. Second case, degree of qx should be equal to degree of rx. I am taking px as 2x squared minus 3. Gx as x squared minus 1. So I am going to divide x squared 2x squared minus 3 by x squared minus 1. I can take 2. 2x squared by 2, x squared is 2. So it is 2x squared minus 2 minus plus, then remainder is minus 1. So therefore, what is our quotient? Quotient is 2. What is our remainder is minus 1. Degree of qx. What is the degree of qx? 2, 0. What is the degree of remainder rx? Minus 1. That is also 0. Therefore, what is the condition here? Degree of qx is equal to degree of rx. Now the third one, you have to write down degree of rx should be equal to 0. The same example you can take because rx is minus 1 and degree of this remainder rx is 0. So same example, px is equal to 2x squared minus 3, gx is equal to x squared minus 1, qx is equal to 2, rx is minus 1. Here the degree of rx is 0. All of you know that degree of the constant term is equal to 0.